9th standard English. Today we are going to see about the article writing. So this you can copy it down in your composition note. Okay. So first we will see what is an article. So an article is nothing but it is a piece of written work, the purpose of which is to propagate news, information about the result of research, analyze academic information, express opinions or pursue through suggestions. So something you have to do research or you have to suggest something and you have to write. So it is called as an article. So somewhere you have to go and do research and then you have to write. It is called as an article. So already we have seen one letter and also an essay writing. Now we are going to see an article writing now. So here is a question. An article. Write an article for a school magazine. So you are going to write an article for the school magazine. For what? Describing an experience about the Clean India campaign. So you have went for a campaign and you have to write about the Clean India campaign. You have to write. Okay. So Clean India campaign. The Clean India campaign or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi was implemented to fulfill the vision of a clean India. But it has not been effective as it should have been. Opinion polls conducted in various cities of India suggested that nearly 2/3 of the residents surveyed felt there was no impact of the campaign on their city or surroundings. The fact remains that the government alone cannot bring about a change unless we the people take initiatives to keep our surroundings clean. It is all about changing our attitudes, which cannot be changed by imposing fines or punishments. There is a significant percentage of our population who are totally unaware of and neglect basic cleanliness hygiene. These are people who don't even think once before littering on the road or throwing garbages anywhere and everywhere. The lack of awareness has led to ineffectiveness of such cleanliness initiatives. It is important to sensitize people on the importance of hygiene and cleanliness through awareness program in electronic, print and social media. Enlightened people need to work with not only individuals but also organizations to make those people aware of the importance of cleanliness. Okay children, so this is you have to do the research and writing is called as an article writing. So I have given one article for you. You can copy down this in your composition. Thank you.